Sure.
You start us off.
Dr. Eggman, I need those Chaos Emeralds. I'm Tails.
No, you cannot have them. I'm Dr. Eggman. I'm going to destroy the world.
No! I need those Chaos Emeralds.
Why do you need those emeralds? You don't have a plan like I do.
My plan is to stop you.
But that's just a plan to stop my plan. That's not actually a plan.
Let's fight.
Let's fight.
No, I'm hitting you. No. Flying. I have two tails.
No. I'm getting in my vehicle.
No, I gotta fly. I can't keep up. I'm so out of shape. I shouldn't have eaten all that pizza.
Whoa.
There's my chance. I'll throw the bomb that Sonic gave me.
Is that a bomb? No!
Good triumphs over evil yet again.